Hello students, good morning. Welcome to St. Thomas High School. Today we are going to start in our grammar subject unit 15. We have finished chapter 13 articles in our last lecture. So let's start chapter 15 sentences. Do you know a sentence means? Sentence means subject plus verb plus object. We prepare a sentence with full subject plus verb plus object. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. We understand properly. Sentences can be divided into 4 categories based on their structure and the message they convey. The 4 types of sentences are: we already seen in our chapter first noun, types of nouns. As per that, we see in this chapter types of sentences. First, declarative and assertive sentence. Second, interrogative sentence. Third, imperative sentence. And fourth, exclamatory sentence. Now we understand in detail types of sentences. First, declarative sentence. Declarative and assertive sentences are statements. They end with a full stop. Its example: birds fly in the sky. Simple with full stop. Birds fly in the sky. We understand this sentence meaning in proper way. So, end with this sentence full stop. Second, interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentences ask questions. They end with a question mark. How are you? What are you doing? What happened? We ask no many questions. It's called interrogative sentences. Ask with questions. Imperative sentences express orders, requests, or advice. They end with a full stop. Don't litter the street with garbage. This order. Don't fight. Don't talk. This is a order. Mummy, please give me a glass of water. Mummy, please give me something to eat. When we use word please, this is as a request. So, imperative sentence. Obey your elders' advice. Sit down. Okay? Keep quiet. These all are called imperative sentence. Now we go as per exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentences show strong or sudden feelings. They end with an exclamation mark. Here see. The man is so tall. What a beautiful flower is. What a delicious chocolate. Okay? We feeling strong. Oh, ouch. What happened? This is sudden feelings. Okay? All are called exclamatory sentences. Now we go as per exercise A. Write I for interrogative and D for declarative sentences. So first one, may I borrow that book? Interrogative, we ask question. The author of the Harry Potter series is J.K. Rowling. This is with this sentence with full stop. It's called declarative sentence. Do you like detective stories? We ask question. So it's a interrogative sentence. The sun shines brightly in summer. This is a declarative sentence. A solar eclipse occurred in August 2008. It's a declarative sentence because this sentence ends with full stop. Understand no बच्चे? Next. When are you going to visit your grandparents? So we ask questions, so it's a interrogative sentence. I hope you understand this both declarative sentence and interrogative sentence. Now we go as per exercise B. Identify that type the following sentences are: declarative, interrogative, exclamatory and imperative. So we understand that declarative sentence means statement sentence and with full stop. Interrogative sentence means ask questions and with question mark. Imperative sentence means request, advice, order. Last exclamatory sentence, so strong and sudden feelings, and end with exclamation mark. Understand बच्चे? So identify this sentence. Whole grains are an important part of a balanced diet. Declarative sentence and with full stop. Avoid junk food. It's a advice. So it's called imperative sentence. Have you ever eaten Greek salad? So it's a interrogative sentence. How delicious the fruit cake is. It's a exclamatory sentence. Mouth with watering no? Yes, fruit cake. Okay बच्चे. Now we go as per exercise C. Make sentences of the types mentioned below using the word mother. Declarative sentence. Any of you can write on mother also write. Okay? In exam, as per declarative, interrogative, exclamatory, imperative, write yourself. Here I give as an example: declarative, birds fly in the sky. Interrogative, how are you? Exclamatory, that man is so tall. Imperative, obey your elders. No need to write on word mother. You can write then okay. No problem बच्चे. Remaining part we see in our next video. Okay बच्चे, bye. Take care. Stay home.